Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel English Grammar Salam. My dear viewers, today I have come here to enjoy a picnic spot. Here, some people arranged a nice picnic atmosphere, and here you can find the modest and gentlemen and some young generation and some kids and some ladies also. Here, Bangram is a residential area, and the Bangram Tower is a residential area for special some people, and they have arranged this sports program for the children. You know it very well that the children can't go out nowadays. So the residential people who live here, they have arranged for their children some sports program which is very nice and entertaining. You know it better that the girls are standing here. They are waiting for the sports program. Their sports will be in different way, and the guardians and the authorities of Bangram Tower are here and there, and they are observing all the things very nicely. I am here to enjoy the special moments of the picnic, and it is called annual picnic, especially for the residential people of Bangram Tower. Because they live here peacefully, friendly, and you know it better that sports is a kind of entertaining for mental recreation for some people, and they have come here, and the man who is talking to me is really a gentleman, and he is a permanent resident here. His kids are also here, and he's doing his best to inspire all the people. Now, I am observing the situation who are standing here. The ladies are sitting here, and they are observing and watching all the activities of their children. The people who are here are very modest, and they pass their life in a simple way, and they are very nice people. They maintain the friendship among the residential people, and they enjoy the real atmosphere where they pass their time in a friendly way, in a peaceful way. So we can tell you that everything is going in a systematic way, and how the situation is now, you can easily see that the boys are enjoying the sam race. It is called the sam race, and now they are making the sum and completing it, and they are going to the rough line, and they will be finally chosen how they will be the champion. Term has been completed, and the two
আচ্ছা আমি একটু জড়ি নিয়ে আসি আর বল নিয়ে আসি
they are very happy actually. It is a nice enjoyment and pleasant moment for them that they can sacrifice. They have learned how to sacrifice and how to do for the people of here, and both of them are friends. One was going to be first, but actually he wanted to sacrifice, and as a result of sacrifice, his friend is now the champion. And Adib, how do you feel? He has sacrificed for you.
I am feeling very good, but he sacrificed for me. He came first. He completed his math first, and he came here first. But I think he thought that he's younger than me, so I should sacrifice. So I think that's why he sacrificed, and I won.
It's nice and great, especially for the friends can do something for the friends, and you have proved it. And we have learned here how to sacrifice for the people, how to sacrifice for the friends and family. So thank you, and your attitude is very nice. The girls are running. And they are taking part the sum race, and it's very interesting. They will have to do the sum, and they should complete their sum, and they will go. Oh, one girl is going fast, and some of the girls are going to complete their action, and they will be chosen who is the fast and who is the champion here. So it is very interesting, they should perform all the things according to their merit. So everything is very nice, and everything is doing going to maintain the system, and people are very much happy here, and I am also enjoying it.
Throwing the ball, and he's letting me carry. Wow, a little bit mistake, but wow, only a little bit mistake. It is unfortunate, but he has tried a lot to do it nicely. It's really a fantastic matter. Wow, the first time is successful. Very nice. Oh, that is me. And he is taking the third step. Wow, he has done it successfully one time, which is very nice. And he has done it carefully. Okay, the new man is coming on. Wow, it is little bit stronger. Please try to step. Oh, sorry, it is stronger.
কয়টা
You
ফেলতে হবে
have to be slow.
তিনবার চান্স পাবে
মানে একটা ফেলতে হবে তিনবারই
Oh,
তিনবার আপনি যদি তিনটাই পরে আর একজনের তিনটা পড়ছে তাহলে ওই দুইজনের প্রতিযোগিতা হবে
Listen. Anyone, please start now. Here comes another one, and he is ready. Oh, sorry. That